Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open BMW i3 charge door, only way. Start by parking and switching off the car, then unlock the passenger door. Locate the small charging flap release on the side of the dashboard and press firmly. If flush, slide your finger along the seam to reveal the tab, then pull outward to open the charge door. Practice gently to avoid damage and remember to close it until it clicks. Start by checking the interior charge release area near the passenger footwell or under the glove box if present. Reach carefully and feel along the panel for a small plastic lever or tab. If you locate it, pull gently toward you while a helper applies slight pressure on the charge flap from outside. Avoid forcing parts and use a flashlight to see the mechanism if the area is dim today. Quick recommendation: if you like practical ideas, check out a book called The Simple Path to Wealth for simple money thinking that pairs well with smart car ownership. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides. Look in the description for the link and other deals, and consider it as a light diversion while you wait for charging. Now let's get back to the video. If the interior release is unresponsive, check that doors are unlocked and the car is in accessory or off mode as required. Inspect the charge flap for ice, debris, or paint film that blocks movement and clear gently. Test the key fob and central locking to ensure they aren't interfering, and try a soft press on the flap edge while pulling the interior tab. If stubborn, contact a BMW technician to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.